Hey, what's up my friends? I'm Juan Pablo. I'm not here to share with you how you can create as well as sell your ebook online. First of all, you got to be a content creator. Or you're that person who's perceived as an expert. You tend to talk for days about a subject in which you will never run out of topics. If that's you, then you should be able to create an ebook. Why not just document your thoughts, document your words, and sell it online so you can have that wake up whenever you feel like it money, that passive income that you receive on a consistent basis with little to no work required. The first thing you need to do when creating an ebook is determine your voice. What is that one subject that you could talk about for days on end without interruption? I know what you may be thinking. Hey bro, I have a lot of things I could talk about. I could talk about health, I could talk about fitness, I could talk about work, I could talk about play. Choose one thing to begin with, so it's something new. Choose one thing and then decide, hey, this is the thing that I know the best. In fact, I perceive myself as an expert at it, and choose that to talk about. So whatever your voice is, my friend, make sure you go on GoDaddy.com or any one of those similar websites and you find the URL that's available that matches your voice and has keywords in it. So me, in my case, is real estate investing. And my voice for real estate investor is this: finance your deals with little to none of your own money out of your pocket. So I tried searching no money down. Was that available? Of course it wasn't. I tried searching infinite returns on your investment. Was that available? Of course it wasn't. But then I searched 100% finance, which means obtaining an income producing asset, whether it's online business or real estate, with little to none of your own money required. And guess what? Eureka! That URL was available. So I bought that URL along with the social media and the Gmails. I created 100% finance at Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, on all social media platforms. And then I decided to name my company after that. So I want you to do the same thing. Check first and foremost to see that URL is available, and then think of a creative name that you can use across your website, Gmails, as well as all social media platforms. The next step I want you to do, my friend, is find people who like to listen to your voice with a pen and pad and ask questions. Hey, you're a follower of mine on social media. Or hey, you attend my networking events. I have a question for you. What question do you have for me that you'd like me to answer? That's what I did. And a lot of my friends said, hey, I want to know about you using business credit, because I use business credit for real estate investing. And they said, how in the world did you get this thick stack of business credit cards? And I said, oh, that's the question you want to answer, huh? Let me jot that down. I'm gonna answer it to you a tad bit later. But what other questions do you have? Not only how did you get it, how did you use it for real estate? Okay, any other questions? How do you perform the due diligence? How do you perform the cash flow analysis on a rental property? How were you able to improve your credit, Juan Pablo? I jotted down all the questions my family, friends, and colleagues had. I turned around, created a Word document, then I converted it into a PDF, hired someone on Fiverr to do the graphics as well as the logo design and so forth, formatted the ebook, so to speak, and I made it into an ebook. Got an account with PayPal.com and sold my ebook on PayPal for $40. I know that sounds like a high ticket, and I turned around and sold my ebook to the same friends who provide me with those questions. And they found such great value, because not only did I ask one of my friends, JR, but I asked another friend, Rob, I asked another friend, Steve, I asked another friend, Andre, and they all came together and said, hey, this is a really great ebook. I would love to contribute and provide you with 40 bucks. So they bought it, and then I brought that same ebook to my networking groups, and then they bought it. And then I realized I was onto something. So first, find your voice. Find a group of people who love to listen to what you talk about all day long, and ask them what they want. And then create a product based upon their needs and wants. Don't be the other person who says, hey, I have a product, who wants it, who wants it, who wants it? No, you want to say, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? And then create a product that caters to their needs and wants. So now at this point, you understand you have a viable product. You have created an ebook that sells. The next thing you want to do is put that ebook on your website as well as an opt-in page. An opt-in page is pretty much a term in which we use on an online business in which you have people opt into your website, subscribe to your website for something free. Normally it's a report. So after you create this ebook, you have to ascertain what is the most popular chapter in my ebook. Let's say it's chapter 7, how to get business credit for my ebook. Then what I would do is I would take that chapter out, that's called splintering, and give that as my free giveaway. So when someone comes to my website on the homepage, they'll say, subscribe to get Juan Pablo's How to Get Access to Business Credit so that you can build your money team. And I'll give it away for free. So I can get their emails and market to them later. And so when they get that chapter for free, they may say, whoa, this chapter was of great value. They don't know it's a chapter because I'm not labeling the chapter. I will rename it as a report. How to get business credit report. How to get business credit blueprint. The business credit system. Pretty much it was a chapter in my ebook and I just took it out to make its own standalone product. But once they get it from subscribing and they view it as remarkable, great content, because you always want to under promise and over deliver, then you hit them with, hey, if you found this valuable, then more than likely you'll find my ebook valuable. The 100% finance way to get started in real estate. And they will buy the ebook. Or the 100% finance total ebook package. Some of my day ones might acquire that. Shout out to you guys if you acquired that. And then they will buy it. Simply because of the law of reciprocity. I gave you something free of value and you in turn bought something else at a higher price. And I typically recommend for your first ebook, you don't have to start as high as I did for 40 bucks, but have an ebook in the price range of 10 to, I would say $7 to $20. That'd be a good price range for your first ebook. Now, the friends I mentioned, in which I asked all the questions and sold it to, now you might be thinking, well, why would you sell it to them? They helped you out. Hey, it's up to you. You don't necessarily have to sell it to them, but this is what you can do instead. You can give them a free copy of your ebook, but in return, make sure they provide you with a testimony because you need testimonies on your website. Social proof. Why would people just buy your ebook just simply because you gave them a free report? It will help the buyer further their buying decision process if you provide them with social proof. So have a bunch of testimonies on your website and your emails to provide to your potential customers. So there you have it, my friend. You've learned the easy steps to how you can create an ebook as well as sell an ebook online. So there's many more steps to that as well, right? Especially when you're growing, you have teams, filming and photography, marketing and sales. You can build a business around it. But first and foremost, you have to see if the product is viable. And if you're interested in learning how to build a business, just reach out to us. Check the links below to learn more. And if you're interested in funding so that you can get access to capital for your marketing costs, to cover your business costs and so forth, check the link below to learn more. So as always, guys, this is to your success. Continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.